Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CIBC Bank. So first you have to open your Google Chrome, or you can also use the app in your mobile device, and in the search section you have to type CIBC, which is Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, and simply enter it. And tap on the first option from the search results. And here we could see guys, we just landed to the CIBC official homepage, and on the right hand side there's a sign in option, but you have to enter your card number as well as your password. And after filling the box over here, and if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on the reset your password right over here, and after that you can sign in this option over here. You simply have to click on it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And thank you for watching, and I hope I could help you. And this is how you can log into your CIBC Bank.